Hey guys, welcome if you're new to my channel, and if you're not, then welcome back. Today's video is going to be a fall haul from Walmart. I went today to Walmart to buy a little bit of like decorations, and I was really looking for like cute fall themed items, even though it's like October already and literally November will be next, and then it's like boom, winter. But anyways, I still wanted to get some things. I didn't go too crazy, but I still wanted to show you guys what I picked up. So definitely let me know in the comment section down below if you guys love this type of content where I do just smaller hauls or just hauls in general from Walmart, Target, TJ Maxx, wherever it is. So with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel before we get started. It is free $99, and give this video a thumbs up. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into today's fall haul from Walmart. Okay, so first things first, let's see what we have here. I actually picked up some decorations, and I'm gonna put these right now. This is a cute little pumpkin. How adorable is this one? I think this one was like $4.98, so super affordable. I don't know if I should take off the heart and maybe put it here. Let's see. Maybe we can do that, and then I'll put the heart there for now, even though you can't see it. And then I also got another little pumpkin. These are super cheap. They're 98 cents. And I just wanted to add a little bit of like fall inspo in the room, even though, like I said, I feel like it's already late. But whatever. It is what it is. So we're just going to leave that there. I think that looks pretty cute if you ask me. Do we like it? Let's pull this to the side. Okay, we're just gonna leave that there. And then so the main reason why I wanted to go to Walmart, one was I wanted to look for the Profusion palette. I think it's called like the Marigold palette, and they didn't have it. I've been going to Walmart and they haven't had it, so sorry I haven't been able to find that palette, but as soon as I do, I will get it and review it for you guys. So next up is I got a sponge, and me being extra, I got it orange because I was like, I'm doing a fall haul, so hello, let's get a sponge. I always like to have backups of loofahs just because I like to throw them out at least once a month. Sometimes I go past that, but these are 99 cents, super cheap. Got that. I also really wanted to get new lipsticks. Not that I needed them, but I had mentioned before that I don't own berry colored lipsticks. I have the bad habit of getting rid of them because I'm like, I'm not gonna use it. And I have a ton of nude, but like zero berry colored lipstick. So I really want to push myself and use non-nude colored lipsticks every day. And so I picked up two lipsticks from NYX. I feel like NYX has an array of like lipsticks and lipstick formulas. So this one is the Powder Puff Lippy in the shade Moody. I forgot what I was going to say. This is actually one of my favorite formulas from NYX. They have a few, but this one is really soft. It makes your lips look and feel very pillowy. And I have one and I really like it. It has like this cushion at the end. It's like a little cushion applicator. And I'm gonna swatch it for you guys so we can see what color it is, but I just wanted to get berry colors. Oh yeah, that is so pretty. I love the formula on these. They're so nice, and they are a little bit more like on the sheer side, but if you build it up, they look so pretty. And then obviously if you wear like a lip liner like I typically do, it's gonna look so nice. So that is the shade right there. I thought this would be perfect for fall and to really add a pop of color. And then I also got the Lingerie XXL lipstick in the shade, what color is this? Bust Ed. And this one as well is a really pretty berry. Oh yeah, that is so pretty. That it's exactly the color that I wanted. So I'm really excited to add these to my collection. We're just gonna put these to the side. I'm gonna clean my hands because I am a messy person. Next up I got, let's see, let me grab the other bags. Let me show you guys really quick. First, I got some clothes for Lincoln. He just turned 1 on Saturday, October the 2nd, and oh my gosh, he is growing so quick. So he's actually wearing size 18 months and he's 12. He is a big boy. He is in the 90th percentile for his height and weight. He gets a tallness from his dad because, girl, I'm only 5 feet. But I ended up getting some pants for him because I don't know how cold it's going to get here in Texas. It's our first year here, but I wanted to make sure that I had at least a few pairs of pants for him. So I got these cute little like cargo pants. I don't know if that's how you call them, but I love this color. It's very versatile and it goes with a lot of outfits. And these are like $4, so you can't go wrong with that. And then with that, I got him this cute little long sleeve waffle shirt. It is so cute, and I love him wearing like green colors or blue because his eyes are so light. He has like hazel colored eyes, and anytime he wears anything like green or blue, it really changes the color of his eyes. Oh my gosh. I also got this one. I thought this one was so adorable. It says good vibes, and it's just super cute. And both of these shirts are going to go with the pants, so that's why I got him those. And then when I was pregnant for my baby shower, I did a dinosaur themed baby shower. So I got him this super cute dinosaur shirt, and again, I got it green, and it is just so cute. And it also goes with the pants if I wanted to layer them or wear them or have him wear them with the pants. But I got him the matching little sweats. How cute is this? Like, I can't wait until he starts walking. He's not walking yet. He's still crawling. But as soon as he starts walking, I feel like he's gonna look so cute. I'm gonna show you guys some shoes that I got. I got some boots and some slipper shoes. I don't know what they're called. But I had been eyeing these for a while, and I was like, should I get them? And then I was looking at my closet the other day. I was like, okay, I literally don't have very many shoes. When we moved from Utah to Texas, I got rid of so many shoes and I donated so many of my shoes, and now I have nothing but sandals. So they had these new ones, and at first I didn't really like them, like the first time that I saw them, and then I tried them on. I was like, okay, these are so pretty and they're so comfy. They're by the brand Time and True, and this is what they look like. They're so cute, like these with like some cute jeans tucked in. I love the ripped jeans. That's technically and literally what I wear, and the color is so pretty. It's so versatile. It goes with pretty much anything. Like this top that I got, like you just throw a cardigan on and you are a whole fall mood. Okay, love these. I am in a size 7 and these fit perfect. So oh my gosh, I am so obsessed with these. They do have memory foam, which is why they feel so comfortable. These were $24.98, which I thought was an amazing deal. So like I showed you guys earlier, I got a tank top. I want to get me some more, but this one is just a really pretty burnt orange. Again, for the fall, these colors are just very fall appropriate, and you can layer them in so many different ways. You can wear them with so many things. And I have a few cardigans, and I have some flannels that I feel would look super cute. So got this one. These are like $2, $2.98, something like that. And then these literally took me back to when I was like a junior, and I guess these are a thing now. I had to get these in a size 8 because I have very wide feet, and I was low-key looking for a 7 wide, but they didn't have one, so I had to get a size 8. These are so cute. They also have them in like a knitted material, and then they also have like a cream color. I just felt like the cream looked a little too blocky versus the black. I feel like they look a little cuter. I don't know, so I went with these. They're so cute. They're by the brand Time and True, and these were $14.97. And again, these with like a cute flannel, some cute jeans, or like an oversized sweater. You can just really make this work, and it's a cute, comfy fall outfit. I cannot wait to wear these. These would actually look cute with the sweater that I'm wearing today. With that, I also got a flannel. Now, this flannel is actually from the men's section. It is by the brand George, and I got a size extra small, which now I'm like, I should have gotten a small, but they only had extra small and then like bigger sizes. So I got this one, and I got this shirt to maybe wear it under. So I thought this one with this shirt, and then the boots. Like, tell me, oh my gosh, I almost hit my face. Tell me that's not a fall vibe. Maybe I'll switch it up and get some like a darker colored shirt, but hi, what you doing over there? I guess I'm gonna have to end this video with Lincoln. Say hi. So the last two things, I told you guys this was gonna be a short and quick little haul. The last two things that every time I go to Walmart, oh no, don't touch. Every time I go to Walmart, I always get these little wax cubes because I have them all over my house. This is my staple like scent for fall. It's called Fall Leaves. It smells so good. Literally, it smells just like fall. Like they captured it so well. And I was gonna get a candle, but I was like, like it makes me nervous to have candles around the house because of somebody. But I also got this one from Better Homes and Garden. Can I see it? It's called Salted Coconut and Mahogany. Oh my gosh, both of these smell so good. Like this one just smells so cozy and warm and inviting. And it just has all the fall vibes. So that is it, you guys. That was a really short haul, but that's what I really... Oh, I also got the Starbucks, what's it called? Pumpkin spice latte creamer. It is so yummy. I highly recommend it if you guys are looking for one. What? Do you want to say hi to them? Look. Say hello, ladies. Hello, I am a handsome little boy that doesn't like to sleep. So that is the end of this small, short, quick, and to the point Walmart haul. Definitely let me know if you guys want to see more of these because I love shopping anywhere. And yeah, I hope you guys, like I said, enjoyed this video. Definitely let me know what are some of your favorites fall must-haves, and maybe I can pick them up on my next Walmart or Target haul. Yeah, thank you guys for being here. I love you all. Stay safe. Have an amazing day. And until next time, I will see you all in my next video. Bye.